Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to BMW E90 HQ. Will here with another one, and today I was going to show you how to reset your service menus in your BMW E90. This will probably also apply to any other BMW from this generation, E60, E88, all those, whatever the 7 Series is, like E64 or whatever. I don't even know. It probably applies to that too. All the SUVs, I don't know what their chassis codes are either. I guess I should know that, but I don't. It's really easy. So, say for instance you change your own oil, and the car has a built-in, system that tells you how long you have between oil changes. Now, I don't really put too much faith in this anyway, because it says you can go 15,000 miles between oil changes, and yeah, I don't know about all of that. I think my opinions on BMW's service intervals throughout all my videos has been pretty well documented. I really don't find them to be a good way to maintain your BMW. I think that they really overestimate everything. But anyway, it's nice to have your card letting you know that your oil is fresh instead of saying that you're overdue for an oil change or something when you just changed it 2 or 3 days ago. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do it. I actually just did mine. I did like an earlier take of this video and it didn't really come out well, but I can still show you anyway. And so yeah, let's get right into it. Sorry, the light's changing. The sun keeps going behind clouds, and I was looking at my headlamps wondering if they had gone off or something. But anyway, yeah, so let's get right into this. Anyway, first thing you're going to want to do, put your key, put it in, on position, but leave the motor off. You probably can do this with the motor running, but there's really no reason to, so let's just do it this way. We don't have to waste any gas, anything like that. Alright, so I really couldn't find a place to mount my camera in here where the steering wheel wasn't blocking the view of what we need to do. So anyway, first thing you're going to do is, let's get rid of that tire warning light. Alright, it's out of the way. Now you're going to want to hold down this mileage reset. It's going to give you a triangle, and then it's going to come up with that. And then, so you have this is for brakes, and you can kind of toggle through it. You use the little switch on the turn signal. So let's go to oil. That's regular service interval. So oil change. It says 15,000, but now we're going to use the BC button and just hold it, and it says it's already reset. So it won't let me do it because I just reset everything. If you want to reset them all at once, you go to the one that looks like your car on a lift and hold it down, and once again it says that it's already reset because I already did it. But it's really as simple as that. So just resetting your service interval is a good thing to know, especially if you're a DIYer, or even if you just took it to a shop and they forgot to do it. I mean, the dealership didn't do mine, and they changed my oil, and they left it, and it said I had 7,000 miles still. So even the dealership will forget that. So it's a good thing to know. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums that up. That's a really easy DIY, or kind of accompanies a DIY. See in the back there, I tried to mount the tripod in the back seat to get a good shot of this, but just couldn't get the angle right. But yeah, anyway, it's really easy to do. It's really good to know. Doesn't matter if you're a DIYer or not. I think that it's really important for everyone to know how to reset this, just because, I mean, who wants to look at a car telling you that you're overdue for a service when you know for a fact that it was just serviced maybe even just a day or two ago? So, yeah guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out a whole lot. And go ahead and subscribe if you're new. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.